we have this old carrier round one running. There's the tag. This thing appears to be a 1990 38 TK 3.5 ton. And this is some sort of ICP Eco Tent with a universal motor. It's a 2012 4-ton. And yeah, here's the Tech2000. It's a little beat up, but oh well. It's got a replacement fan motor too. It's pushing out nice and cold air though, and this line is nice and sweaty. So that is amazing. Cold and sweaty, super cold. Wow. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching.